Love, sacrifice, and devotion. These are the pillars that hold families together. But what if the tables turn? What if the one who has been cared for is the one who gives back? My name is Bharat, and today I am going to share a story with you that has deeply moved me. This is a story of Vijay Kannan, a 31-year-old son who gave his mom a journey she'll never forget. This journey wouldn't have been possible without determination, love, and the right set of wheels. Meet Vijay. He works in the accounts department at Diageo, and his mother, a school teacher who has dedicated her life to her family. Vijay, can you tell us a little about your condition and how your mother has supported you?
Yeah, so my name is Vijay and I'm a specially able person. Throughout my 31 years, I never lived as a specially able person. That's because of my parents. When people do ask, are you a specially able person? I usually deny that, saying that I'm a specially able person. So that's just because of them, because they made me always like a person who is like not having disability.
How long have you been using a wheelchair?
Third to fourth standard I have been starting to use wheelchair. Until then my parents and the aunt who used to work in school, she used to help me. So my parents used to carry me to class.
What has it been like raising Vijay?
Vijay is really a pearl for me. He's knowing everything. If we are helping also, he can do his own work. And he's not so much trouble to me.
Vijay, tell us about the surprise. How did you plan this trip to Ayodhya?
Last year, it was during December, like I just asked her on curiosity, like she used to fill all our wishes, so if she had any other, like her own wish that she would like to go somewhere or something, so that's when she told she wanted to visit Ayodhya. Until March month, I never promised them that I'm going to take them to Ayodhya. Then in the month of March, almost like last week, I told them that I'll be taking them to Ayodhya, because April and May it's like a special occasion in Ayodhya for Ram's birthday.
What Vijay's mother didn't know was that this wasn't just any trip. This was a journey of a lifetime, planned by Vijay for several weeks in advance and revealed only moments before departure, covering Ayodhya, Prayagraj, Varanasi, and more. A 2-week spiritual journey made possible by a modified Maruti Eco. Auntie, when did you find out about this trip?
March was my exam time. Paper correction, everything was there. So before finishing that, I told him if we are going, we have to sit together and find out which all places we can stay, whether the hotels are there, available, is it in the ground floor, lift will be there, all those things we have to plan, no? Because we are taking him, we can't expect so many people will be helping there. So we don't know anybody, and the language also.
What was going on in your mind when like Vijay told you like about the trip?
I have car we are going, but I got a little scared whether we can, so many things are happening on the way, no? So only we three are going means nobody will be there to help, means difficult. That's why I told him to call my sister also.
Because she is my, she is like close, and she is like my second mom itself. So wherever I would plan, I'll definitely include them. So I did not tell my parents this, that I'll be calling them as well. So I had kept the tickets also ready with me. So only thing, I had kept it until last moment secret, so that they'll know at the last moment. That's it.
You always wanted to visit Ayodhya, Ram Janmabhoomi?
So when we are reading the Ramayana, I thought these places are there. Rama Janmabhoomi is there, Rama's birthplace is there. All these questions is in my mind. And after this Narendra Modi's inauguration, I told him, can you take me to Ayodhya? This is the only one wish for me.
In April 2024, Vijay, his mother, his father, his uncle, and his aunt set off on a journey to Uttar Pradesh from Bangalore. Their destination? The newly opened Ram Janambhoomi temple in Ayodhya, a place of deep spiritual significance for the family. Then to Prayagraj, Varanasi, and beyond. But this wasn't just about visiting temples, this was about something deeper. So, how did you feel when you were at Ayodhya?
I couldn't believe that these places are there. Even still now, all those memories are coming back to me. Every day where we stayed, oh, one more day we have to stay there. Like that way it is. Now also he is asking, Amma, you want to go to Ayodhya again?
When did you guys get this car?
So that also like was a part of this. So she had asked that when she told she wants to go to Ayodhya, okay, like I just had this in mind saying that okay, she had some wish, let me try to fulfill. So for all of this we can't just afford flights, right? Because we have like ample limitations that we have to abide by.
So many rules.
Yeah.
Like it's not
Accessible for people like us.
Yeah.
After my first job, I used to call Uber Access. So that was motorized car, like wherein I can get inside the car. That's when I saw this actually concept that even cars can take me along with wheelchair. Then I just gave a proposal to mom that let's buy a car. We went to like multiple showrooms. So we saw which is a like possible car which can accommodate. But still we'll have to see about the ramp or automated lift. All those things we have to see that. That's how I got Naina's number, and then but meeting Naina also was like new to us, but we didn't feel at any time. She was too approachable. But later, rather than customer to her, it was like more of a family bonding.
This journey was made possible by a modified Maruti Eco. Through assistive technology installed a ramp in the car, allowing Vijay's motorized wheelchair to roll directly into the vehicle. Once inside, secure restraints hold the wheelchair safely in place. It's not just a car, it's independence, it's possibility, it's freedom. What do you say to other families who think that traveling is not possible because of like having like mobility challenges?
I would say there are ample choices, ample feasibility things that would be available. Only thing you will have to make use of it at the right time. Because of this vehicle, I was able to take parents and I was able to travel along with them.
Money is the second part. If we have decision in our mind, it will come true. Traveling is not so difficult. Traveling is 100% we can't get everything from everywhere. There is little bit changes will be there that we have to afford, and then if you have a wish, it will come true. This trip was really enjoyable and I will never forget in my life.
Vijay's story shows us that love isn't just about receiving, it's also about giving back in whatever way we can. His mother spent years ensuring that he could live a life of independence and dignity, and when the opportunity came, Vijay gave her something priceless, a journey of faith, family, and memories. At True Assistive Technology, we don't just modify vehicles, we enable dreams, we create opportunities, and we engineer independence. If you or someone you know has a journey waiting to happen, reach out to us, because everyone deserves the freedom to explore, to give back, and to live fully.